Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be walking you through the NextLev YouTube automation, and of course I'm going to be offering you the discount code, which of course will allow you to get up to 20% on your purchase on NextLev. So this is a tool powered by Maurice, which is one of the top YouTube automation guru online, and then this guy have grown many channels. So we're gonna be checking out this page to see some of the channel he have grown, and you can see him right here, how to source voltage and assets on YouTube automation. And with these tools you can also get a niche finder. And one of the things I actually like about this tool is the fact that it have an extension, which of course I think that's around $20 or $15 thereabout to get the Chrome extension, which of course will also give you access to many benefits, like finding competitors, analyzing channel earnings, and how many traffic a channel is getting, and when the channel was actually created, right? So on the product section right here, you can also see it also offer you an analytics on how to grow, and then there is a full course, which of course you can also check out. So I'm gonna check in I think this page right here, which is the page for the course, which of course you'll be getting. So I think it's of 2 courses like that. All right, so you can see become a pro faceless creator. So this is a video right here. Let me try to play small. This is a YouTube video. So
it's time. I have thought a long time about building a YouTube automation course, but I've simply not done it because I know.
So that is Maurice himself, and you can see this video is 3 minutes 13 seconds, which of course you can also watch using the link in the description to get straight down to this page right here. And if I scroll all the way down, I'm gonna see what the course entails. So meet your teacher right here, and I feel like he also partner with different big creators in the space, in the faceless space, just to share their own opinion about what faceless YouTube channel is and how you can also make money from it. So you can see the course material 10-hour plus, video lesson 100-hour plus, 100 videos plus, then you can see the modules is 20 plus. So this is a step-by-step process on how to go about it and why you should choose this course. So you can see experience, comprehensive curriculum, expert guidance, accessible learning, real result, lifetime access to the course. You can see the course curriculum, which is the course outline. You can see module 1, module 2 to 10th modules. So under each module you see what you're going to be learning. So you can see everything right here. So they already give you the title, but you cannot watch. You can see right here, or else you have purchased the course. So you can also get the niche finder and witness the growth explode. Then you can also see another modules right here, and if you scroll down you can see he pulled up some screenshots from some of his channel that he actually run. So 2023 thereabout. So I think there's another slide right here. You can see right here 2023, 2021, 2023. This one is not showing exact date. So, and the kind of content they are actually creating is like entertainment, cult and all that, you know. But then all these things, if you don't do it the right way, you're not gonna make money. So that's the funniest part about it. So when you want to get a course, so just click on join course now, or get course now, or get started now at the top right. Then once you use the link, and on the checkout page just input must be on the checkout page, and you get 20% off. So like I said, it's 2 ways. So this one come with niche finder, so you can see it's 10, and for the course alone you're gonna be paying 510. And this is one-time payment only. This is also one-time payment only. And then you can see lifetime access to the best YouTube faceless course, and lifetime access the #1 YouTube niche finder. You can also get the lifetime access to the best YouTube faceless course. So this one alone is a course, right? So it doesn't include the niche finder. So you can see right here, you can see course material, everything is included. The access to the niche finder is not included on this one right here, you can see. So depending on the one you actually want to go for, but I would advise you to go for the one with niche finder, so that you'll be able to find a niche that is less saturated, which of course will allow you to grow faster and make money as fast as possible. These are some questions about the course right here. So scroll all the way down, then you're gonna see. And like I said, I've subscribed to the Chrome extension before, and it's really amazing. So if you want to go for that, it's also very possible. So just click on NextLev Chrome extension, then install the extension on your Chrome browser and subscribe, and then you can see how it works. And if you want me to make a video on how to use the Chrome extension for NextLev, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to provide that video. And like I said, if you want to get this course, just use the link in the description so you can get 20% of your purchase on NextLev platform. And if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.